In the past, to treat periodontal disease, we've had to use invasive methods where literally we had to peel back the gum tissue, scrape the teeth, and try to regenerate any type of bone we could with bone grafting procedures. Nowadays, we have technology that we can use to our advantage to, one, not only lessen the pain, but have better clinical outcomes. So how this laser is used is, one, it uses the laser, it's a high intense laser that vaporizes bacteria that can decontaminate around the tooth and stimulate new bone growth to occur without these invasive procedures we used to do in the past. Another benefit of utilizing laser therapy is, one, we can treat more teeth at once. So in the past, we've had to do these invasive surgical procedures, whereas one quadrant at a time typically took 4 different procedures in order for the patient's full mouth to be completed. Nowadays, we can do this all in one visit. We can get the areas anesthetized, very minimally invasive, go around every single tooth with the laser, stimulate the bone growth that we need, thus providing less discomfort and better results.